Good evening, everyone. Hello, I am Saurabh Chakraborty. You all are welcome today's Zoom business session. Today, this meeting is very vital for you. So don't leave in between meeting, please, because this meeting is basically necessary for you. If you want to build your career with NetSurf, so this meeting is very essential for you. So don't skip or don't leave in middle time from meeting. And one warning, and it's a request also to all of you, please you mute your microphones in your screen. That way nobody can face disturbed by you. By the way, we just wait 2 more minutes to start this session because someone is coming already joining in this meeting. So we just wait for 2 minutes, and in between these 2 minutes we see something in screen. Let's start. By the way, uh, I hope you all who want to join, you all already joined, but we starting the session. If anybody come later, because we don't wait for themselves, because this is a scheduled time-based meeting, so that in between this meeting we have to cover all the materials about today's discussion, NetSurf communications business opportunity. So don't letting more. Just let's start discussion about our company. By the way, before start about discuss about our company, we just want to say you all. Just I am saying that many more are. I hope that new in network industry, so that I just take 2 minutes and want to say you what is the network industry, because it's very essential to get a clarity about this industry, because so many persons they think about this industry, this is any scam, this is any scheme. So that first we have to we need to know about this industry, that way they don't have any wrong idea in their mind. So leaders, I want to say you that network industry is no any scheme, no any scam. It's pure and logical business opportunity, business way, which based with people's. It's an totally product distribution system. There have no any scheme, no any scam. So that I hope you understanding that this big opportunity network industry, it's a big industry across the India and enter the globe. Now that is so many youths and so many employed person also taking their taking this opportunity as a secondary income source, or someone it's taking as a priority. They give their priority as their career. So network, it's an industry. It's not a little one. It's a big industry. In network, in between network industry, there are so many companies across India and abroad India. Today, we are going to discuss about one of company in direct selling industry, that is NetSurf Communication. This is a direct selling company, and this company is found 2001 in Pune, Maharashtra. NetSurf Communication Private Limited, it's a very big brand. It's gloriously running in India more than 20 years. Last 2 years, 3 years, we launched already abroad India in 3 countries, so that really we are feeling proud, and many more persons are getting their achievements, getting their lifestyle, getting their success from this NetSurf business opportunity. Today, we discuss about the details about NetSurf Communication, NetSurf network, which is a completely legal and guideline oriented company. Leader all, I want to say you that when someone bring with you a company opportunity, there have a option to observe about this industry, about this company. The one website, there have a government website, that is www.mca.government.in, that means Ministry of Corporate Affairs. Just you put your company name, you may find all the details about company, such like company details, like company financial base, company products portfolio, company owners, everything such like essential data is preserved in MCA. This is a government site. Today we discuss about NetSurf Communication Private Limited. The owner of this company, the director is Mr. Sanjay Malpani. He is also the owner of 13 private big company. Another chairman is Mr. Sujit Jain, who is the son of Mr. S.K. Jain. Mr. S.K. Jain, one of the topmost lawyer from Indian government, top 10 criminal lawyer. We have our register office or head office in Pune, 9th floor building, and this is the product based opportunity. This is the product based company. We have 4 categories of product, like as agriculture range, healthcare range, vitamin therapy, personal care range, home care range. All products in between, all range of products, we have more than 70 products with us. All are very result oriented and organic and fully eco-friendly. There have no any side effect. By the way, let me know about our business opportunity. To avail benefits and avail extraordinary lifestyle with NetSurf, first you have to register yourself. As per government rules, registration is totally free. You getting the 90 days of cooling up period. This cooling up period is as per guideline, government guideline. Cooling up in between cooling up period, the meaning of cooling up period is from the date of your joining, you get the time for purchase up to 90 days. Just you have to made a single purchase of 4,000 in between 90 days for get all the discount and all the benefits from company. Firstly, after your free registration, company giving you first as a first benefit, that is retail discount. Just now you see on screen, and I am trying to discuss about the retail discount. Retail discount is that which we avail from retailer, but in traditional market during our purchase we don't get any discount. But as per this system beauty, as per network industries beauty, when you involving yourself any existing company, the company will give you fantastic products in fantastic discount rate. Our discount slab is such like 0 to 3,999, you don't get any discount. 4,000 to 8,999, you get the products in 15% discount. 9,000 to 14,999, you get 20% of discount. 15,000 to 22,000, 29,999, you get the discount of 25%. 30,000 and above amount of purchase, you get 30% of discount. One thing I want to remember you, if you thinking that when we purchase such amount, which we get several discount from different slabs is mentioned in scheme, but not like that. Company giving you the cooling up period of 90 days from the date of joining. How many purchase you made by you in your self ID or self purchase? After 90 days, company accumulate all the purchase, and the that time, that amount company note that, and that amount fit which slab you get lifetime that discount. As the example, from your date of joining up to 90 days, you made purchase of 20,000 part, sometime 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, etc., such like that. But between 90 days, your total purchase gone to 20,000. That means you see that 20,000 slab is 15 to 29. That means you get 25, you said in 25% for lifetime. So that friends, forget maximum discount, maximum retail discount, that is 30%. For avail the 30% of lifetime discount, you must have to try minimum 30,000 MRP product in between 90 days as one time as a part. So as you like, you see company give maximum retail discount 30%, but sometime company for your good business growth and your benefit, company give extra discounts offer, like as you see 2,500 in slab. 2,500 is you don't get any discount, but as per order nowadays, who purchasing the product of 2,500, he also getting 20% of discount, such like 6,000 25% discount, 10,000 30% discount. Actually, this is one of business growing tool which company give you every month. It's every month it, or every quarter wise it's changed by company. But when it's coming and any new offer with the new opportunity, definitely you are known by our your immediate sponsor or from your team line, so that it's not a matter, but it's a very good tool to grow your business. Next, let me discuss about the business plan or compensation plan. Firstly, you have to join with us, or you may join with us totally free. You need only few required details, like as your address proof, your PAN card, and your one of your nominee whom you want to register with your ID. After that, just forget lifetime business incentive from NetServe. You only have to mandate purchase 4,000 in between 90 days. After that, If you don't buy anything, doesn't matter. You get all the benefits from company. Just forget all the benefits from company. You have to one time buy only MRP 4,000 products in your own choice products with the product range of 70 Havel category products. After that, when you purchase it, all the income section is open to you. The first is matching income. Like as the example you seen in screen, as the example, you introduce one person in your left side, you introduce another person in your right side. As the example, I take an amount, but you don't think it that 6,000 is mandatory, but I just uh, take it as an example, because if we don't take any example, you can't understand it. So 6,000 amount is not a mandatory amount. It's like as example. That way you easily understand it. By the way, from your left side, any from with anyone else, he do the purchase of 6,000 as their as per their own necessary products, and right side person also take the products of 6,000. This is your final work. After that, you started, company will generate your income. Such like company give us the payment between every 15 days. We get to time income in a month. First of month to 15th of month, you get the first payout, and 16th of month to end of month, up to end of month, you get the second payout. So in every month you get two time payout from NatServe. In every payout, company calculate your business, and as per your business, company generate your incentive and transfer it to your account if your NEFT is updated. By the way, let me see the structure which you seen in the screen. In your, as example, in your first 15 days or first month, you just complete and you just promote this business opportunity. Your two friends, one is who placed with your in your left side, another is which placed in your right side. Both are purchased as their own mandatory own essential by essential products 6,000 of amount. Company just calculated how much amount is made purchase by both person. You see it. Just if you think that both person are take product of 6,000 of MRP, 6,000 plus 6,000, your total turnover is in between month made 12,000. Doesn't matter how much they purchase are taking. Just it's an example. It's maybe bigger or maybe smaller, doesn't matter. How much purchase is made from your left side team, from your right side team. Company uh, accumulate the both amount, company plus the both amount, and exact it like 12,000. How much amount of business is done by your from your team, you get the 3% of incentive from that amount. Like as I take as an example, 6,000 from left side, 6,000 from right side, your total business turnover is 12,000. You get 3%, that means 360 rupees you get income from company. Such like that, firstly you have to understand it. This business is totally based on duplication. Just you have to follow your offline, your what doing your offline, you have to do such for get success and get more income. So when you follow it, you also introduce your your introduced person also introduce in their both side 2%. Same work is done by also your right side members. After that, we see the calculation. If you see that, if you see that total business from your team is made 24,000, they are all doing for their own establishment, own earning, but you get a benefit of total business. Like it's total business is 24,000, you get 3% from 24,000. That means 720. This income is generated by company and it's transferred a, a proper time in your account. Actually, just you have to understand how company will generate the income. Your income equal to joining plus repurchase equal to turnover. That means in your both side of team, that means left side and right side, how many persons are newly joining and purchasing their own essential products, and also how many old persons are repurchasing their products as per their necessary. Doesn't matter the amount is purchase or repurchase, but company give you the benefit of total turnover base. That means total turnover equal to joining new fresh purchase plus repurchase amount. Company will calculate in between every 15 days how many amount of business is done from your left side team and from your right side team, and both amount company accumulate, company plus the amount, how much amount is fine is done by your team in every 15 days, and you get 3% of incentive. Next is turnover. Just I'm taking example. In a month or in a closing, your left side team total purchase, repurchase, by repurchase and purchase done 1 lakh of turnover, and in right side 1.5 lakh of turnover. You get 1 lakh plus 1 lakh total incentive on 2 lakhs. That means 3% 6,000. But 1.55 lakh business is done from your right side, but you get the benefit from 1 lakh. 50,000 is carry forward for your next payout. No any business is flushed out in our concept. Your lifetime you get carry forward. After that, promotion system. We have a fantastic promotion system which is you never seen anywhere. You know, everywhere for promotion you need and you have to qualify a certain amount of business in a proper duration of period. Don't you never hear it promotion made without any business target and without any time duration. But we are the first company, we are the only company in India. Here for your promotion, you don't need any time verification, you don't have any time verification, and you don't have any business target. This is totally unique in the world. So let we understand about our promotion system. First of all, very clearly you try to understand it. Every closing, every 15 days closing wise, you getting some payout as per your teamwork, as per your business turnover. Doesn't matter how much you earning, is it any small amount or is it any bigger amount, that depend as per your work strategy. But how much every 15 days you getting incentive from company, from day one company start to accumulate it. Like it as the example you see in the screen, in the first payout you get 360, in second payout you get 720, then company plus the amount, next is 6,000, like as 360 plus 720 plus 6,000, such like every payout company accumulate step by step. When your income touch to total 50,000, for coming for touch 50,000, you don't have any time limit. How many time you taking to touch the 50,000, that's depend on you, that's depend on your teamwork. How much first you are doing or how much slow you are doing, doesn't matter. One day your income touch 50,000, and for this touch you don't have any time limit. When you touching your limit 50,000 total income from company, company will give you the first promotion. Your promotion will get 4%. That means in first time, in starting time, you get 3% discount from your team turnover, but after total income of 50,000, you getting the first promotion, and you get after that you get 4% from your business turnover. Next is when you are achieve the rank of 4% incentive. After that, from your team turnover, from your team business, you getting 4%. So how much you earning in every 15 days wise closing, that incentives also added with on 50,000, like as 50,000, 55,000, 60,000, such like how much you earning, how much your incentive is coming, that incentives also added with 50,000. When your total incentives touch 2 lakh, for touch it, there have no any time limit. When you are touching, you get the second promotion. When your income is come to 2 lakh, the 4% is gone to 5%. After reach in 5%, after that you get the percentage from your team turnover 5%. Then you see that gradually your income is just growing. After that, already income, how much you getting in every 15 days, that is also accumulate with 2 lakh. And when your income reach to 10 lakhs, for 10 lakhs, there have no any time schedule that in between this period you have to do. But after 10 lakh total earning from company, lifetime you get 6% from company. As the example, just see the difference and see the necessary of promotion. When you start, you get 3%. After 50,000 of income, your promotion is 4%. After 2 lakhs of income, your promotion is 5%. After 10 lakh, your promotion is 6%. Just you think it as the example. When you were in 3%, if your that time your team do the business of 1 lakh left side, 1 lakh to left right side, then according to 3%, you get 3% of 2 lakh, 6,000. But when you get promotion and you became 4%, the same amount, 1 lakh and 1 lakh, if your team business is such as the example, you get 4%. That means 4% of 6,000, 2 lakh 8,000. Same 2 lakhs 5%, 10,000, and 6% is 12,000. So just you, I hope you are understanding how promotion is necessary for us for our increasement of income. Here, one thing I want to just share you. Every other company, also in the direct selling industry, we are not only, there have so many companies. If you just minutely see there, every company give their promotion as per their slab, but for their promotion, they give you a time duration and a business target. If you don't able to do the mentioned business amount with in between duration, proper duration, you don't get any promotion. So that in this region, there are many more leaders are get shocked, because if you think any company give you a time duration of 2 months, the company said that you have to do 2 lakhs of business in between 2 months. Just you think it, you tried hard with your team and you do your best level effort for qualify that promotion, but you just quite and you just finished your time with the less of 5,000 for your record your achievement amount. So that time company don't give you promotion, so you have to try again from the zero. This is very bad, but we don't have such like, if anyone join with us and if he do slowly or firstly, doesn't matter how many he earning, that is from day one is calculated by company and accumulated by company. When no any time duration, you touch the limits like 50,000, 2 lakh, 10 lakhs, you get one by one promotion, and one day you get the highest discount, highest rank, that is 6%, and you avail it lifetime. So this is the beauty in our company. After that, when your team is growing, definitely day by day, your turnover also growing. When your business is came to 69 lakh from your left side team, 69 lakhs from your right side team, you achieve the company highest amount of payout, which called as capping, that is 8 lakh 19,250. If you join with us and work with us, when you achieve our business trips, you see it that more than 20,000 of persons in this company, they are availing this capping income in every 15 days. Just can you imagine it? With a little effort, if you able to do a good team, all the team workers, they do business for their own interest, for their own establishment. As a applying as a senior, you grab benefits from their business, and this business is gradually grow day by day. Definitely one day your income reach to 69 lakh. When this reach, if it have take 2 years, 3 years, after 2 years, 3 years, if your income come in between every 15 days 8 lakh 90,000, that means in a month it's more than 16 lakh. Just imagine, have you any opportunity in your hand without any investment who give such income opportunity? So don't let, try to understand and try to do your level best. Not like that, we have also a fantastic generation plan. We are not from generation plan based company, but company will give a fantastic generation income. Company will give you the 9th generation income, which is just I try to explain one as an example. After that, you will understand the benefits and you see the percentage. Like as generation income, also called as first track, which is also similarly called as foreign trip. First generation. First generation is those persons who are directly recruited by you in your team. Doesn't matter where you recruiting. It may be many more depth line or many more downline from your team. Doesn't matter how much persons are directly recruited by you in your team. Those all persons are your first generation. So who is your second generation? The all the sponsors of your first generation, whom you sponsored themselves, those are the first generation. And all the sponsor of your first generation, those are called as your second generation. So you understanding, in between 9th generation, your all team member is aligned as a system. Company giving you the benefit here. When your team is growing and when this business, when your business 75,000 left side, 75,000 right side in a month from your team, then you qualifying the first generation income. That means that time you get all the matching amount as per your slab. If you are belonging from 3% or 4% or 5% or 6%, doesn't matter. As per your percentage, you get the 75,000 business percentage. Extra company start to give you the generation income. That called, when your business you done by your team in a month, 75,000 from left team, 75,000 from your right team. That time you get the income, extra income of first generation. That means in your team, how many people are directly recruited by you, those all are your first generation. In that, on that month, when you able to qualify the business of 75,000 left, 75,000 right, you get extra 15% incentive from your all the first generation leaders from their income. Just I am trying to explain it very clearly as you know betterly, because it's very fantastic. So I am trying to again very clearly discuss with you. Like as you recruit a person, Mr. X, and you recruit another person, Mr. Y. In that month, when your team business is 75,000, on that month, definitely your team members also earning some income. Your first generation income is your direct recruited persons, how much earning on that month, you get 15% from their earning. Such as you introduce Mr. X, who is your first generation. On that month, Mr. X earned 5,000 as per their mm, promotion level, as per their percentage. But you get 15% from his income. Like if his or her income on that month is 6,000, you get 15% from 6,000. Such like how much direct recruit person in your team on that month, you get 15% each of their income. So just imagine it, how much income you may earn when you qualifying the generation income. Such like when your in team turnover gone to 1.5 lakh in a month, from your left side, from your right side, left side 1.5 lakh, right side 1.5 lakh, then you qualifying second generation. When you qualifying second generation, you get also income of first generation. Just I am taking one example. You know this month you qualify the second generation. From your team, you able to qualify the business of 1.5 lakh left, 1.5 lakh right. That time, how much persons in your second generation, you get 10% from all the second generations in members income, and you get same time 15% from all the first generation earning holder income from income. So that I think you are understanding. Such like you get third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth generation, like as this percentage, like as first generation 15%, second generation 10%, third generation 10%, fourth generation 5%, fifth generation 5%, sixth 5, seventh 5, eighth 3, ninth 3. So that just imagine it, when you qualifying generation income, how much bigger income is waiting for you. But don't hesitate dear, because you don't have to do anything. Just if you have a good team with good members, this all generations is automatically qualified by you, because all are doing for their own satisfaction, own earning. So your business is automatically done every milestone. So don't late. And one more thing is, when your 35 lakh business is done from your team, total turnover is gone to 70 lakh, you get 66%. That means your income is generated 4 lakh 20,000. But company one thing say it, when your generation income is more than your matching income, then you will get your payout double. That means when you do the business of 35 lakh from left, 35 lakh from your right with your team, that time your total turnover is 70 lakh, you get 6% from 70 lakh, that is 4 lakh 20,000. That means that time you get the double amount. That means our capping amount 8 lakh 19,250. So this is the big benefit. Next is family protection plan. This is a very fantastic, and it's a very good, very, it's a beauty in nurture. It's applicable after ops club. That means when your total income is touched 2 lakhs, that means when you reach in 5%, after that you getting extra some family protection plan benefits from company. Just in between, in from there, first is mediclaim. You get 3 lakhs mediclaim policy for in every year for your family. Next is 5 lakh natural death insurance policy. Sir, it's just think about it. We are doing insurance policy outer side by paying money. But any associate, any distributor who joined with us and today or tomorrow, when he touch his income 2 lakh, after that company give him or her family a fantastic family protection plan. In family protection plan, you get 5 lakh natural death insurance. Sir, natural death is very true. We all died one day. We never, nobody we stay for long time. So 5 lakh natural death benefit, definitely we get all when we expired. It's paid by company to our next generation or nominee. Next, 2 lakh to 25 lakhs accidental death benefit. Next is we are moving in field, so many challenges sometime in front of us. Just I pray to God, don't need such like accidental death benefit. I pray you all are good in health. You all are always be safe and happy. But company announce if such any accidental situation occurred with any of our associate, company give him or her minimum 2 lakh to maximum 25 lakhs of accidental death benefit to his or her nominee. Next is loyalty bonus. Company will give you 10 lakhs of amount interval of every 15 years. And last is nominee facility. Just sir, if I say you why I came this industry and why I am doing that, sir, because of this point, nominee facility. Because sir, just try to understand this point. It's very interesting point. I hope you all are doing something, maybe job, maybe any business, maybe any service. Sir, honestly, you say me, how much you stabilizing your generation? I know you are savings a lot of money for your generation, but if your generation is not well educated and is not well trained, if he or she don't have any management of money, so your savings money he can't utilize. But I am doing that, sir, because of it. I don't need any savings in my lifetime. How much earning I am creating after my expiration, my nominee will came to my ID, such like we don't need any savings for our family because we are 100% securing family. Just take as example, in I'm taking my example. If I do in this business 10 years and in between 10 years I able to build my income 5 lakhs per month. After that, I in any issue, maybe accidental, maybe naturally, I died. After my die, my nominee, that means maybe my maybe my son and daughter, whom you are choosing for your nominee, the nominee is came prior in your ID and he start his journey or start his income from next month, which you build up until build up to your death. So that this is really, I am really excited about this point only, because we all do everything for our satisfaction and maximum for established for our family. But in my view, NetServe network give you the opportunity to secure your generation 100% securely. So choice is yours, how much you taking this opportunity. So don't let come and join first with us. If you let, just try to understand what loss is done by you, is with your known or unknown. Just you sin in the skin, blue person is you who are thinking, just I am trying to do it and do it tomorrow or day after tomorrow or a few days later. You business proposed by any one of your friend or neighbor, that is as per system he is your offline, he is in pink color in skin, just you see it, you just join. After that, you're offline joining another one to your downline, because we don't have any other hand. All the coming persons we have to give our team. So as per system, you get the second person by me. Just you think, you are thinking I do or not, do or not. In that time, my second recruitment do the business of 10 lakhs. Matter is that if you don't take decision in right time, you don't get the benefit of my second preference 10 lakhs. You go down of him. That means you don't get the benefits of first come, first serve. So, friend, for net in that serve to build career, you don't need any big qualifications, any investment, no any time, because we have no any schedule work that this time to that time we have to engage ourselves. Such no, not like that. We do it freely. I believe it. Every person's, maybe if he is doing any job or any business, every person must have few time for their entertainment. We are also entertaining in several way, someone in social side, someone is playing, and someone with their kids, such like. But sir, I honestly saying you, if you every day just use only 2 hours with NetServe without in any investment, and if you properly continued only 1 year, I'm damn sure nobody can stop you to get your success. So, thank you.